Today I want to show you how you can go from a screen like this to a screen like this in 4 easy steps with Franmar's products safely, effectively, and affordably.
The first step in the process is cleaning the ink out of the screen. We'll use Plastisol ink remover for this. Make sure that excess ink is carted off the screen and use about 5 to 7 sprays on the ink side of the screen and start to scrub. Franmar sells both biggie pads and handles that we're using for this. A tip when you're using the pad is to keep it flat against the screen instead of just using an end or a side. It's faster, more effective, and your pads will last longer. The shirt side only needs a couple of sprays on the image area and it gets a quick scrub too. Once the ink is broken down, spray the degraded ink from the screen with water. Step 2 in the 4-step process of screen reclamation is to remove the emulsion from the screen. We'll use Franmar's emulsion remover. Wet the screen and spread a small amount across the top. Using a dedicated biggie pad, scrub the emulsion remover into the screen. Once both sides have been covered with the emulsion remover, let it set for just a couple of moments for the remover to fully break down the emulsion. Spray the emulsion from the screen with water, being sure to spray under the top edge of the screen to fully remove any remaining emulsion or remover. Removing the hazed image from the screen is step 3. Franmar's haze remover does an excellent job of removing haze from your screens. Spread a small amount of the remover on the screen over the haze area and scrub the area with a biggie pad. Cleanup is easy, just spray clean with water. The 4th and final step in screen reclamation is to degrease the screen. Degreasing is important so that the emulsion for the next print will adhere well to the screen. A couple of sprays on each side with Franmar's screen degreaser is all it takes. Using a dedicated biggie pad, give the screen a quick scrub and rinse with water. After the screen is dried, you have a fully reclaimed screen using as little as 1/4 ounce of each of the products. When it's time to reclaim screens or even just clean them, reach for the safe and effective products from Franmar.